Thank you for tuning in. I would like to pay tribute to one of my top favorite celebrities, an underrated celebrity by the name of John O'Hurley, who played Elaine's boss, Jay Peterman, on Seinfeld. He voiced King Neptune in SpongeBob and did voices in Scooby-Doo and Family Guy. For decades now, he hosted Thanksgiving Day's televised National Dog Show. He was also the host of game show Family Feud from 2006 to 2010. After leaving Family Feud, he was replaced by the hilarious Steve Harvey. Even now, when there's someone else who hosts, someone who everyone finds very funny, even now I think about John O'Hurley when watching Family Feud, the host prior to Steve Harvey. Even now, I reminisce how much I miss you saying cervezas. Even now I end up crying in the middle of Fast Money, and I can't believe it still could hurt so badly. Even now, when Steve's the new star, I wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard to watch without you. Even now, when I flip to Family Feud, I swear I think of you and how I wish you knew. Even now, when I never hear your name, and the world has changed so much since you retired. Even now I still remember, and the feeling's still the same, and this pain inside of me will never retire. Even now, when Steve's the new star, I wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard to watch without you. Even now, when I flip to the Feud, I swear I think of you, and God, I wish you knew somehow.